Hello, 7th graders. I just wanted to make a quick video today to show you where and what you will be doing in my absence today with the sub. So the first thing you should be doing is going to Schoology. I know this may not be everybody's exact page, but it is very similar. So you should be on the one, your pre-algebra class, or pre-algebra 7. And you will find the activities all the way down in the quarter 3 folder. We are still in quarter 3 till the end of the week, so we'll still be in there. And within that folder, you'll see a blue one with today's date. It's called Tuesday, 3/23/2021. That's where you will find today's activity that I want you to complete. The first thing that everybody should be doing is this note to past self. Okay. This is the assignment, and for this assignment you will be creating a comic strip that will kind of prepare your past self for what you have lived through in the last year. Okay, so the instructions are on there. It does say, what would you say to the 2019 version of yourself to prepare you for 2020-2021. I know this past year has been chaotic and crazy with COVID and distance learning and everything, and we could not have predicted that this was going to happen a year ago, but it has. And that's exactly what you're going to do. Is you're going to make a comic strip that could prepare, help you prepare for what you have lived through in the last year. This is a video kind of explaining that same premise about the pandemic, and it is kind of funny, although very serious stuff. But I do want you to watch this video first to kind of give you an idea of what I'll be looking for within these comics. After those comics, after this video and you feel like you are ready to start your comic, go ahead and click on this link right here. It says ready, click here. You click that open. It is going to get into a website called Pixton. Pixton is a comic strip editor. I do have a subscription to it, so you should have access to many of the backgrounds and all those kind of things through that. Just go ahead and click on sign in with Google, and you will use your Ardale information. So first name _ last name with the number at ardale.org, and then use that password as well. So go ahead and sign in. The first thing that you will do is you'll create an avatar. You can create it something to look like you or something to look like what you want. And then from there you'll create your comic strip about your message to your past self. Okay? If and when you finish that early, what you should do is you should go over to your grades and check to make sure that there is nothing missing. I know that the end of the quarter is coming up, so make sure that everything in the Unit 4 folder is completed. Everything in this Unit 4 folder here should be completed. Remember Lesson 0, Lesson 1, and the quiz here. And that is the activities for today. If you have any questions, please make sure you do ask the sub, or you can email me as well. I don't know if I'll get back to it quickly. The sub would be a better solution. But I will be back on Thursday. I hope you guys have fun with this, be creative, and do a good job for the sub. We'll see you guys at the end of the week.